Right, so let me show you how to enable voice typing on your Samsung Galaxy keyboard. So on your Samsung keyboard, on your Samsung phone, if you're trying to use voice typing or voice input, but you can't see the microphone icon, then you need to enable it. And to do this, you need to go to your Samsung keyboard settings. You can either tap on this little settings icon here, that takes you to the Samsung keyboard settings. Alternatively, you can go from the settings. Let me just go show you how to navigate from the settings page. So if you go into settings and then under settings, scroll down to general management, tap on that. And then under general management, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Either way, it's going to land you on the Samsung keyboard settings. So here, you want to scroll down and find voice input. You can tap on that and you can see it's currently set to none. And that's why there's no microphone icon on the keyboard. So now to enable, you can choose either the Google Voice Typing or Samsung, depending on what you want. Now, I feel like Google has more data and is better and more robust. So I'll choose Google Voice Typing. And then now when I go back to the Samsung keyboard, maybe in the messages app, right, there should be a microphone in the bottom left corner. So now I can use that to type. So good morning. Just like that. So I speak and it types for me what I say, and that's how to use voice input or voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.